coal mine, and he went to high school when he was 20 years old, and then he went on to college and he went to Harvard. And when he went to Harvard, he started reading all these books about American history, and he was seeing there are no black people in the history books. And he knew that wasn't right because black people have always been doing a lot of things in this country, like George Washington Carver and Booker T. Washington and Harriet Tubman. You guys have heard all the names for years and years. But the only reason you've heard those names is because of this Dr. Carter Woodson, who started Black History Month. So every year, during the month of February, it started out as a week, and then they changed it to a month. And every year, we do Black History Month to celebrate and thank the black people who have done so much for our country. And I think personally, the greatest one is our president right now, Barack Obama. And another great person that everybody knows in this audience here is Oprah Winfrey. And she is probably the kindest person that anybody ever sees or hears about, all the things she does for everybody all across the world. And it's perfect to talk about her during Kindness Month, too. Now, Zeta's going to read us a poem by a very famous author.
Black History Month celebrates the positive effects African Americans have in this country. It celebrates people like Maya Angelou, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Jackie Robinson, Rosa Parks, Malcolm X, Dr. Buckley, Joe McCready, Thurgood Marshall, and Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States. I am happy to be celebrating Black History Month with all of you. Now I would like to read a poem called Still I Rise by Maya Angelou. You may write me down in history with your weird, twisted lies. You may trap me in the very dirt and still, like dust, I'll rise. As my assassinates upset you, why are you upset with me? Because I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like the moons and red suns, with the 17 tides, just like hope springing high, still I'll rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops leaking by my soul cries? Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't take it awful hard, as I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your emptiness, but still, like air, I'll rise. Out of this history shame, I rise. Up from the past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I am a black ocean, deep and wide, running and swelling, I bury the tide. Leaving behind winter terror and fear, I rise. Into a day that's wonders to clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am a dream with hope of a slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.
Woo! Go Zeta!
Sure, let's give her another round of applause. You know, boys and girls, one of the character traits, one of the things that makes people great is the character trait of courage or bravery. It takes a lot of courage to get up here and speak in front of 600 people. It does. That is a great trait. Good job. Continuing on, we have a couple awards to give. Drum roll, please, for our clean.